Securit is a business inside Saint-Gobain dedicated to the creation of innovative glazing systems. We have been the front runners in these sectors for over 90 years. We are based in 20 countries with 31 plants and a total of 14,000 employees. In Securit Larbos, we produce backlights and sidelights with a capacity of over 90 million pieces per year. We supply to car manufacturers such as Stellantis Group, Daimler Mercedes, Volkswagen Group, Renault Dacia and Ford. Since 2019, we have been using 3D printing for different applications throughout the shop floor. We create anything from jigs, tools and fixtures to spare parts and prototypes. All these applications have one thing in common: the ability to drastically reduce the final cost of each piece. Prior to the implementation of additive manufacturing, each one of these projects with urgent lead times had to be mechanized by an external supplier, resulting in steep costs. We pursued the use of 3D printing to allow us to design and test different solutions at minimal costs and optimum quality.
One of our goals was to overcome the limitation we were facing of producing lab batches. For example, the robots in our production line pick up cables which are welded onto the glazing for the defogging feature in backlight. For the maximum efficiency of this step, we require 7,000 units of the positioning fixture to be placed in the cable tray. We were experiencing failures with the orientation of side cables. This reduced the efficiency of the automated process and resulted in auto-rework by our operators. This motivated us to research the best way to manufacture these 7,000 units. By producing them internally with our current resin and FFF 3D printers, the costs were acceptable, but the lead times were not feasible. We then looked to external 3D printing service suppliers, but found that the cost per part was not sustainable. Through discussions with VCM 3D, we discovered that it was the perfect time to test out the new VLM technology. We have been able to quickly and affordably produce these 7,000 units. By currently having this implemented in the production line, the efficiency has already increased by an estimated annual saving of 70,000 euros.
We visualize the future here at Saint-Gobain Securit as having a reduced dependence on external mechanization suppliers. Instead, internalizing these activities with technologies such as VLM to provide us with much more manufacturing autonomy. In turn, this would result in an economical improvement and reduction of the lead times. So we'll produce what we need when we need it. All this brings us closer to our main goal of achieving operational excellence. This means empowering operators to propose, to design and implement solutions using their own tools.